morning, everyone. Welcome to Office Adda 24/7. My name is Niharika Walia Bhatnagar, and I am with you with the area of accounting and financial management for bankers. So let's begin with the class today and talk about it in detail. I hope you remember the registration week has started. In this particular week, no late fees is there. After this week, they would start with late fee of 100 rupees, and then it would be increased to 200 in the upcoming week. So the entire process of registration is opened only for 3 weeks. So if you're looking forward to it, then kindly do it in this particular week itself, so you don't have to pay any late fees. And at the same time, if you fill your form early, then you won't have to worry about the examination center as well. So both of things would be balanced enough. Question. Choose the correct journal entry for the following transaction. Cash deposited in the bank rupees 90,000, then debit bank rupees 90,000, and credit capital rupees 90,000. If I'm starting, let's look at the particular question itself. It says cash deposit into the bank is rupees 90,000. If I deposit money into bank, what is it called? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So basically in this case I am losing cash. And where is this cash going? The cash is ultimately getting into the bank. So the journal entry should be the bank account is debited and cash account is credited. So which particular point is actually similar to this answer? Debit bank 90,000, credit cash 90,000. Debit cash 90,000, credit bank 90,000. Debit capital 90,000, credit bank 90,000. So in this case the correct answer would be bank to cash. The correct answer is B. Okay? The correct answer is B. Next question. The proprietor's account, supplier's account, receiver's account fall in the category of representative personal account, artificial personal account, then natural personal account, or none. Representative includes when we have to pay to someone because of a reason there. It can be outstanding, it can be prepaid, prepaid, or advances. So they are all included in representative. Artificial would mean bank, company, AOP, BOI. They are all a part of it. Natural personal account is basically related to the persons there. Then the answer is none of the above. In this case, since we are talking about proprietor's account, we are talking about a proprietor, a person. The correct answer would be natural personal account. Comes double column cash book. If I talk about the double column cash book records, all transactions, cash and bank, only cash, only credit. If I talk about this, the double column cash book would record what? Double column cash book would include only a few things. Double column is basically cash book where we are taking two separate columns. One is, there are three kinds of cash book: single column, double column, and triple column. Single means it has only one, cash or bank. Double, which means cash and bank both. Then triple, in this case the correct answer would be B, cash and bank transactions. Sometimes in terms of this arena they have a particular account called discounter account. So how do they define the discount account? In the discount account they would define it like discount received is going to be on the credit side of your cash book and discount given will be on the debit side. How do we record it? It's going to be like this. Bank discount, cash bank discount. In this case, when we are recording things, it's going to be the discount is going to be recorded. The discount given, allowed, is here on the debit side, and discount here would be discount allowed will be here as discount received. Okay. Then comes the next question. Which of the following is a column, is or are columns or portions of journal? How do we define journal, everyone? Particular, ledger, folio, amount, debit, as well as amount, credit. When we talk about journal, it has 4 5 points. It has date, then it has particular. In actual, all of these are a part of journal. Journal records, then we have journal folio, ledger folio. That means whatever ledger we are going to put the journal account into. Then we have the debit side, and then we have the credit side. So in this case, the answer is all of the above. Next point. Goods purchased on cash are recorded in purchases, sales, cash book, or purchase return book. Goods which are purchased on cash are recorded in what? If I purchase some goods and I pay in cash, what is it called exactly? Since the transaction involves cash, so it cannot be purchase book because purchase book records only the credit entries. Sales book record only the credit sales. Purchase return relates only to the goods which we purchase and now we have returned. So in this case, the correct answer would be cash book. Balancing of account means total of debit side, total of credit side, difference between total of debit and credit, and none of the above. We talk about balancing this account. How will we take it? When we talk about balancing can be defined as on the debit side and the credit side. We will be having two sides. That means in this case, when we record it, we have a value of 40,000 here and we have a value of 30,000 here. So what will we do? We'll do 40 minus 30, whatever we are left with, 10,000. So that is the difference between the debit and the credit side which we will record. So it is actually C. Return of the goods by the customer is recorded in purchase book, sales return book, or purchase return. If the goods are returned by return of goods by a customer is returning the goods back to you, then that means they don't like the goods. So that means it is a sales return. है ना? They are your customers. So the person who has purchased goods from you is giving you the goods back. That he doesn't like the goods. So in this case, it would be covered here. Okay, so in this case, the correct answer would be the sale return book. The process of recording transactions in the ledger is known as posting, classifying, journalizing, or none of the above. If I talk about the process of recording transactions, how do we process in terms of recording? First of all, we record and then we post and ultimately then we move forward because journal to ledger to transfer it and then we look forward to the next point. So in this case, the correct answer is posting. So first is journal, journal to ledger to trial balance. The most important elements of accounting cycle are journal to ledger and ledger to trial balance. So how do we record it this way? It is basically the content that we make it in this area is this portion from journal to ledger is called posting. When we do the totaling of various things, it is called casting. And the next point is trial balance. Trial balance is a complete statement where all the things are recorded. Purchase return will fall under which category? Personal, real, nominal, or cannot be determined. Purchase return, the goods we purchase, it is now being returned to someone. So what's gonna happen in this area? If we purchased goods and we don't like them, those purchased goods are returned. So in this case, the purchase return will fall under which category? If we return the goods, it would be part of nominal because our expenses are going down. So it is called a nominal account. Is a contra entry recorded in the cash book as a debit in the cash book, credit in the bank, as a credit in the cash book account and debit in the bank, as a debit in both the cash and bank accounts, or either A and B. A contra entry means in which we are having both the bank and the cash elements. So when we talk about a contra entry which includes both the bank and the cash, that is why if we are making double entry and we are following the portion of double column cash book, if cash comes here, then you are losing bank. If this is cash and this is bank, this is cash and this is bank, you are having cash and you are losing bank. Totally opposite, when you are getting bank balance, you are already losing cash, so it would be recorded here and here. So one point would be bank, the other point would be cash. The entries which would involve called contra entry, which is considered in terms of a double column cash book. Right, so that's it for the day, everyone. I hope this particular class was helpful for you. In this area we have covered the chapter number 2 today. I've covered the area of recording subsidiary books. I think we'll be continuing with this particular topic further as well, and then we will move on to the next one. So I'm going to go with this entire area unit wise. So I hope it really helps. Till then, if you like this session, then please don't forget to like it and share it among your peers, and let's open up our website to understand what exactly we are providing. All you need to do is you need to go to our website, that is www.adda247.com. Go on to the area of JIB and CIB. JIB CIB ka Mahapack is available. What you can do is you can purchase JIB Mahapack 2.0, which is available at 11,577.80 rupees if you apply the code JC80. Okay, I hope it is visible now. You just have to apply the code JC80 and you will get 11,577.80 rupees. So if you're looking forward to the Mahapack plus point is, in this area you will get it for 2 years. Both JIB and CIB are covered. Then this covers the English medium as well as bilingual classes, revision classes, as well as recorded videos. Whatever batches have been already over, those are also available for you. Whatever would come, they would be available for you. Other than this, we are also providing test series, mock tests. That is also there. Next point that comes is, why do we call it 2.0? We call it 2.0 because you get live classes, then at the same time you are getting practice papers, you are also getting unit based testing, then you are also getting the area of number 3 would be the mock tests are there, then we are also providing you mega marathons and mini marathons, plus doubt sessions are also available on second and the fourth Saturdays. So that means we are providing you everything that you look forward towards JIB and CIB. Rather, this material is going to be way too much. That means you have to finish up all, and if you finish it up off properly, then revision is also included in it. So you should start preparing right away as is taking away. So what you can do is you can purchase this particular course at a very good price here. It is of 11,577.80. At this point of time, 80% discount is there. If you purchase it through the app, then it would be available for another 1%. So you will get it for 81%. go ahead and check it out on our website or our app for further details. And a reminder, everyone, registration being started, please go ahead and register yourself in time. Right? So thank you so much, and let's meet tomorrow at the same time.